Hello, Kimera Hashiv and Jew. Ismisha Joseph, Anam Pashlik. She nolik Anam Pashlik, ahon. It's Christmas in Paisley. In this picture, we have the Nativity and Naomh-Bhreith. Le Màiri, agus Ìosa, agus rìghrean, the three kings, or maybe you prefer the Protestant version, the three wise men, which would be rìghrean, rìghrean, the three kings, rìghrean, the three wise men. And right at the end there's a camel. Càmhal. A camel. Càmhal. And that is Christmas. Well, there's a couple of things wrong with this picture. The first thing is that those three kings, or three wise men, rìghrean, or rìghrean, well, they shouldn't be there at the Nativity, because I'm sure the story doesn't mention them. The three wise men being there, that's the Epiphany, not the Nativity. And the other thing that troubles me is the camel. I don't remember seeing any camel anywhere in the story. I mean, I'm sure that they came by camel, especially if they were kings, but there's no mention of a camel anywhere in the story, as far as I remember. So I think probably they're getting a bit ahead of themselves there. Those three wise men shouldn't be there just yet. They would appear at the Epiphany. And the Epiphany would be La Nantri Rìghrean. And I'm sure you could have worked that out. So day, and then you get Nantri Rìghrean. Yeah, so the day of the three kings, or as we've discussed earlier, the three wise men, depending on what side of the fence you're on. So technically, this scene, I would have thought the three wise men and the camel, they should have left the lights out until January, I think. So we just got to see the others. It's really interesting for me how quickly religious information is being lost in any language. Tomorrow, that's the day after recording this, because I'm recording this on the 7th of December. Tomorrow is the feast day of the Immaculate Conception. And everyone I talk to says, oh yeah, the conception of Jesus. But it's not. The Immaculate Conception is all about the conception of Màiri. That's the day that's in it. It's really interesting how all of this information is just being swept away, isn't it? Anyway, that's it from me. Bye. Chiri and Rasta.